You're 22. Tú atajando. Girl, I wanna handle you. Put my hands upon you, baby. You're 22.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I have dirty, well, my hair isn't really dirty. I actually washed it earlier this week, but I have a hair appointment tomorrow, so right now I have to basically wash my hair again so it can be nice and fresh for the style that I'm getting tomorrow. So yeah, I'm getting my hair braided tomorrow. Well, it's not really braids, it's like a what is it called? It's like twists. I'm gonna leave a picture right here so you guys can see what it looks like, but this is what I'm getting tomorrow. The girl who's doing my hair is the same girl who did my hair in my last maintenance vlog where I got the tribal braids. So yeah, those were super cute. She does such a good job always, so that's why I always go to her. So yeah, I'm going there tomorrow. So long story short, I have to wash this hair. So I'm gonna be showing you guys how to do a DIY hair mask. And this hair mask has been very, very good for my hair. As you guys see, my hair is 4C and it does get very, very dry. Like I have low, I think it's called low porosity hair, where it just gets very, very dry and it's just like lifeless basically. Because my hair just soaks up a lot of moisture, so I just basically need to have my hair moisturized and oiled up all the time, which I can't really do all the time, you know. So these hair masks are good for just hydrating the hair and keeping it nice and strong, especially like before you do braids and stuff. This is a good hair mask to do. First thing that you need is some mayo. I got a little bit of mayo in here. You're gonna get a small container like this and you're gonna just add some mayo. You're gonna add probably like, I guess I'll do like 2 dollops of mayo. 2 big dollops of mayo. Because my hair is short, so I won't need that much. So I got 2 dollops of mayo. And the next thing that you're gonna need is 1 egg. So we're gonna break the egg. We're gonna break the egg and we're gonna put it inside the mixture. All right guys, it's in there, you see it? That's 1 egg. And all you're gonna really need is 1 egg, to be honest. The only reason that you will probably need like 2 eggs is probably if you have really, really long hair. But honestly, you just need 1 egg and that's really it. All right, guys, so we got the egg and we got the mayo. So the next thing that you want to get is some oil. So this is my oil right here. Gotta shake it up a little. This is my own little mixture of oils, like my own little concoction of oils. So what's in this is black castor oil, argan oil, jojoba oil, avocado oil, coconut oil, all the oils in here, basically. And I also added another oil recently that I've heard about. It's called batana oil. This is what it looks like. So I just mixed some of this in there as well. And I heard that batana oil is really, really good for hair growth. And it is recommended by Dr. Sebi. So definitely look into this, guys, because this is supposed to be really, really good for hair growth. But it is expensive. It's very, very pricey. So that's why I just mixed it in with the oils that I already have right here. So we're gonna add some of that oil to the mixture. And what this is gonna do, that's pretty much enough. And what this is gonna do basically is really get all that oil soaked up into your hair. It's really gonna get it soaked up into your hair. So we're gonna mix that together. You want to keep mixing until that's well combined. And yeah, guys, that's all you need for your little hair mask. Just gonna go straight in with the mixture. So you're gonna just take some and just go right in. Go right in and just coat your entire head. Oh my gosh, I need a towel. Hold on, guys. All right, y'all, I'm back with a towel. Make sure you wear a towel when you're doing this because it could get messy. So you want to just coat your hair with this. And I usually do this before my braids, before I get any style, before my weave, before my wigs, before my braids, just so I can lock in all that moisture before it goes into a protective style. And you could probably use gloves for this, guys, but I'm at home, like I don't really care. And it's nothing crazy in the hair mask. It's just mayo and eggs, so it's like you could touch it, but you can use gloves if you want. It's up to you. And a lot of people ask like if you should wash your hair and condition it first before like a hair mask or a protein treatment, and I usually just do it on dirty hair, and then after that I condition it. So you want to lock in all that moisture that's in there after you put the hair mask. So it's looking good. So I'm just gonna start combing it out a little bit so it can really penetrate all the strands of hair. And the brush that I'm using is this kind of brush. I'm not sure what it's called, but it's like a detangler brush. I know you guys seen these brushes before. So this is good for like detangling natural hair. So I'm just gonna use this to detangle. I'm just gonna leave this in for like 30 minutes and then I'm gonna rinse it out. But you guys can leave this in for as long as you want. Like the longer you leave it in, the more your hair is gonna be very moisturized and it's gonna penetrate. So I know some people leave it in overnight too. Like you could do whatever your heart desires. This is like a very, very nice deep conditioning thing. So you can leave it in for as long as you want, but I'm gonna leave it in for 30 minutes. I'm gonna put this little plastic over it. Put this plastic on and leave it on for 30 minutes and I'll be back. All right guys, so it's been about 30 minutes. It's been doing its thing under there. But right now I'm gonna wash it out, and then after that I'm gonna add this conditioner that I've recently been using. It's called Olaplex. I know you guys have probably seen this before because I've been seeing it all over Instagram. Yes, they got me and I purchased it, so I gave it a try and it's been pretty cool. Would I buy again? Probably not, but I need to use it because I got it. So I'm gonna be using this Olaplex conditioner. This is a bond maintenance conditioner, repairs, strengthen, and nourishes all hair types apparently. So all right guys, so this is how my hair looks with the Olaplex conditioner in it. As you guys can see, my hair looks very moisturized. Like you guys will feel it once you start doing the hair masks. Like you'll definitely feel a difference in your hair. Like my hair feels like bouncier like than how it used to be. before I started using hair masks or protein treatments. So it just feels bouncier. Like, there's definitely a difference. So yeah, I'm gonna keep this conditioner in for like 3 minutes just so it can start penetrating, and then I'm gonna wash it out. Alright guys, so that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing how I do my protein treatments for my hair. Make sure you guys are subscribed down below so you guys can check out my next vlog, because in my next vlog is gonna be a maintenance vlog and you guys are able to see me get my hair done and the style that I'm gonna do. So definitely subscribe down below if you guys enjoyed and like this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
Put my hands upon you, baby. Say you like to really right. Girl, I really know your type is me. Wondering if you and I could be